Introducing the DeepCool PN850M, a power supply unit with an 850 watts output, 80 plus gold certification, and full compliance with the ATX 3.1 standard. Unboxing, you'll find user manuals, a full set of modular cables and power cord, the DeepCool power supply unit, plastic cable ties and mounting screws. The power supply unit comes in a smooth matte black finish that looks clean and modern. It has a simple, sharp look with a sleek DeepCool logo on each side, giving it a cool and minimalist appearance. It features a fully modular design, allowing you to connect only the cables you need for a cleaner setup. The included cables use 16 gauge wiring and have a simulated braided appearance on the plastic exterior, giving them a neat and premium look. The cable set includes one main power connector, two CPU power connectors, three PCIe Express cables for GPU, one 12-volt 16-pin for GPU, 8 SATA power, and 2 Molex. Cooling is provided by a 120mm fan with a fluid dynamic bearing that automatically adjusts its speed based on the power supply's cooling needs. With all these features, the DeepCool PN850M also comes with a limited 10-year warranty for long-term peace of mind. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to subscribe for more PC hardware content and upcoming reviews.